Once upon a time, an old man lived with his 3 sons in a village. All his 3 children were hard workers. Still none of them agreed with each other and quarreled all the time. The old man tried so hard to unite them, but failed. While the villagers were surprised at their hard work and efforts, they also made fun of them while they fought. Months passed by, and the old man fell sick. He begged his sons to stay united, but none of his sons heard his words. So he decided to teach them a practical lesson so that they would shed off their differences and stay united. The old man called his sons. He told them,
"I will give you a bundle of sticks. Separate each stick, and you will have to break each stick into pieces of 2. The one who breaks the sticks quickly will be rewarded more."
All sons agreed. The old man gave a bundle of 10 sticks to each of them and asked to break it into pieces. All the sons broke the sticks into pieces in minutes. And again, they started to quarrel among themselves as to who came first. The old man said,
"Dear sons, the game is not over. Now I will give another bundle of sticks to all of you. You will have to break the sticks as a bundle, not as separate sticks."
The sons agreed and began to break the bundle of sticks. Unfortunately, they could not break the bundle. They tried very hard, but failed to complete the task. All the sons told their father about their failure. The old man replied,
"See, you could easily break the single sticks into pieces, but you were not able to break the bundle. The sticks were the same. So if you stay united, nobody can cause any harm to you. If you quarrel every time with your brothers, anyone can easily defeat you. I request that you stay united."
The 3 sons understood the power of unity and promised their father that whatever be the problem, they would all stay together. Moral: unity is strength.